Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Mugisha. Welcome if you're new here. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today I'm going to be doing part 2 of my Romwe haul. In the first video, I went ahead and focused on the tops that I got. In this video, I'll be focusing on the accessories that I got. I felt it would have been too much to go ahead and do everything all together, so I decided to break up my videos into 2 parts. So I hope you enjoy this video. Let me know what you guys think about the items that I got. Alright y'all, so for the first item, I got this palette. It's not gonna focus. I'm gonna just insert a picture, and this is the Artistry Palette by SheGlam. This palette is absolutely gorgeous, guys. I wanted to get some yellows and reds in my makeup inventory, and this is what the colors are looking like if they're gonna focus. Yeah, that is what the colors are looking like. I'll go ahead and insert a picture of the palette itself as well as the colors, just so you guys can get a better look of what I got. The next thing I got are these faux mink lashes, and I'm gonna go ahead and insert a picture of these as well. I know you guys can see the Shein symbol. If you guys don't know this about Romwe, I've been ordering from Romwe for about 2-3 years now, and I have never gotten an item that says Romwe from Romwe. Every single item says Shein. I think this haul was the first time that I ever got any item that said Romwe, and I think that item may have been my purple top. Everything else in the bag says Shein. The packaging says Shein. Everything, my bags that I just got, Shein. So I know they're sister companies, but honestly, if you're gonna order from Romwe, don't be surprised when you get something that says Shein on it. Alright, so on to the next item. The next item that I got are these earrings. I got these rose detailed heart earrings, which are so beautiful. I wear these for special occasions. If you guys know me well, I like to wear studs normally just because they're easier to deal with. I don't have to worry about them getting caught in my clothes or anything like that. I don't like things dangling from my ears too often, so I normally will just wear those for special occasions. I've also stocked up on a whole bunch of stud earrings. As I stated, these are like my favorite, so I just like to go ahead and alternate through these throughout the week. And I always buy so many of these. I have a lot of these anyway, but they're just so much easier to deal with. If you're a studs girl, hoop girl, you know, do what you feel fits you, but I honestly like wearing studs. I have 2 in my ear right now. I just be chilling, honestly, so it just makes my life so much easier. Alright guys, so for this part of the haul, I'm going to be showing you guys the best for last items. I'm going to be showing you guys the bags that I got. If you guys know anything about me in person, I truly love bags. So I have my bags for when I want to dress like a tomboy. I have my bags for when I want to be a little cute, you know, dress up a little bit. So I wanted to go ahead and add a little more glamorous bags to my inventory, just so I had something that I can play up my looks with. So the first item I want to show you guys is this sparkly black bag that I got, and it has this gold detail design chain. Guys, I absolutely love this. I think it's so pretty, and it has a Shein tag on the side. As I stated before, guys, you're gonna get a lot of items from Romwe that say Shein. They are sister companies, so I totally understand that. Either way, it's good quality, and I just absolutely love their items. So tell me what you guys think about this bag. I think it's cute. It's not my favorite out of all of them. You guys are gonna see my favorite ones, but okay guys, so fun fact about me, my favorite color is actually blue, hence why I'm wearing this blue shirt today, and also why I got this next item in this haul. I got myself this blue clear bag with a gold detail just like the last one. I'm absolutely in love with this. This is the perfect shade of blue. I can see myself wearing this with so many different things. Maybe with this top, some white pants, maybe one of the blue shirts that I had in the last haul. Y'all see the vision? Y'all see the vision? Yeah, so I honestly see myself rocking this with so many different things. I think it's so adorable. So let me know what you guys think down below. The next bag I'm going to be showing you guys is kind of similar to the last one, other than the fact that it's holographic. It also has a gold detail chain as well, but it does change colors as the light reflects it. I love this bag just because I feel like it's more versatile. I can rock this with so many different outfits. I feel like it won't clash with the color schemes I'll be wearing, and I'm so excited to see how this is going to look. Let me know what you guys think about this item. All the items that I've gotten so far, the bags, are under $10. This one I believe is under $6. I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link to all the items down below just so you guys can go ahead and see for yourselves. But everything I got from this haul was very affordable, as I stated in the last haul. So let me know what you guys think about this bag. This is one of my favorites, honestly. So the next bag that I got is this pale pink bag, and it has white print on the front. It says A Journey to Wonderland when it's translated in English. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. It's written in French. I've been obsessed with this caption lately. I've been writing it all over. If you've seen my Instagram, my Twitter, it's been everywhere. I've been obsessed with this. The last part does say my middle name. That is why I've been obsessed with it. So I'm not posting it for no reason. I'm posting it because, baby girl, I'm letting you know what my name is. Okay, yeah. Feel me? Merveilles, a wonder. A marvel, a beauty, period. It's in my name. It's in my name. Why are you surprised? Let me stop. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you guys my second favorite bag out of this entire haul. This one is very similar. It has the same print as the last one that I had showed you guys, Journey to Wonderland. I don't know how to say that in French. I'll ask my mom, but I can't pronounce it. But this also says my middle name at the bottom as well, Merveilles. And this, I got this because, guys, the Hermes bag, I don't have Hermes money, okay? So when I initially saw this bag, I had seen it on the Hermes website, and I saw that it had my middle name on it, and I was like, wow. It says my middle name 1. 2, it says A Journey to Wonderland, like La La Land, Wonderland. If you guys ever watched Alice in Wonderland, you guys know, like, it's kind of kooky, like me. So I was like, I absolutely love this, A Journey to Wonderland. I feel like that presents me, and that's literally my about description on YouTube. So I was like, you know what, this is absolutely gorgeous. I was like, let me look around and see where I can find this for like a lot cheaper, because the Hermes bag, I will go ahead and put the price tag up on the Hermes one. I wasn't finna pay that, guys. I was not finna pay $1,000 for a plastic bag. Even the Hermes one is a plastic bag, but it's cute. So I was like, you know what, let me get it. And it also says, like, it also has a different detailing at the top. I don't know what that's supposed to mean, but I got it just because of this. Just like the last bag, and I really like this. I love the detail of this. It's so different from any bag that I've ever seen. So like, you have to go ahead and twist this, and then these two unlatch over here, then you can lift the actual flap. I love that detail. I have not used this bag yet. It still has the packaging in the inside that gives it its shape. But guys, like, this was honestly one of my favorite things. I had my eye on this for months. Guys, I had my eye on this for months. So when I finally got it, you know, I was gonna flaunt it. Yeah. But I honestly, let me know what you guys think about this bag. What do you guys think about the Hermes version? Is it worth it to get the Hermes one, or does the knockoff look exactly the same? I honestly would give this a 10 out of 10 because this looks so good. The quality is amazing. It's not like, it's very sturdy even without the little piece inside that's giving it its shape. Without that, it still holds its shape. The bottom has little pieces where you can go ahead and stand it up so it still holds its shape. I love that they put so much effort into the detailing of this bag. So this is honestly my second favorite. I'm going to show you guys my first favorite. You guys will debate with me in the comments what you guys think is better. So on to the next bag. The next bag that I'll be showing you is this yellow bag that I got from Romwe as well. This is honestly so beautiful. It doesn't have a gold chain detail like the other bags that I showed you. This one has more of a black/silver detailing. I honestly find this so beautiful because it just looks amazing on melanated skin. Yellow in general is just a beautiful color for dark skin. Guys, I am in love with this. I can honestly see myself wearing this very soon. Stay tuned on my Instagram. You guys will be seeing some pictures coming up. But I honestly am in love with this. This is probably my favorite one out of the haul just because of how vibrant the color is. It is exactly what I expected when I went ahead and ordered this online. When it came in, I was just so shocked at how amazing the quality was. I was not disappointed whatsoever with this bag. And I honestly could say it's my favorite out of the entire haul. This one and the last one are definitely my favorites, and definitely 10 out of 10 for both of them. So let me know which one was your favorite bag down below, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It helps me so much. Please come back for the next video. Please share this with your friends and stay tuned for the next one. Bye, y'all.